Hey guys, so we're really going to keep in mind about these templates for the campus that there really are just general guidelines. They're a jumping off point rather than an end point, and everything should be boiled down to the teacher's discretion. So if we're looking at the classwork template, let's say the student came in on time, did everything right, and paid attention to everything. The student is getting 100% for the classwork. All you need to do is just click all three boxes and you're done. But let's say the student was not punctual. Then you would determine whether the student was 5 minutes late, 10 minutes late, 15 minutes late. Let's say the student was 5 minutes late, and I will give 15 points. If the student, for whatever reason, didn't arrive to class with all the necessary materials, but you could either give them no points for it, or let's say they came to class with a pencil but no notebook, or came to class with a laptop but no notebook, or something like, or a notebook with no laptop. It's once again it's at the teacher's discretion. I could give them 5 points or 7 points or however many points you want to give. Now the engagement portion, that's the broadest one. So if the student didn't remain on task, for example, it's once again at the teacher's discretion. You could take off 10 points, you could take off 20 points. It's really up to you. But if whatever points you do take off, you are going to explain that in the feedback. So let's say the student was not on task, you did not stay on task for some or all of the session. You also did not bring your notebook to class. You were also late by 5 minutes. Okay, that's a general feedback that you could possibly give for that. For the homework template, like we were saying, let's say the student completed the assignment and it's all done, it's completely accurate, responses are accurate, responses are thoughtful and demonstrate being an independent and critical thinker. Everything's great here. And you want to give an exemplary, but the assignment was not uploaded to Buzz by the agreed upon time. Then once again, teacher discretion comes into play. Now you're going to copy and paste the assignment not being uploaded on time. But you want to click on the exemplary, and that'll obviously give you to 100, but you're going to be taking points off. So since you were late in uploading, I'm taking points off, in general. And as we were saying, discretion comes into play, so I could choose to take, let's say, 5 points off, for that. And the same thing is, let's say, let's clear the board, and we want to give a score of effective, but the responses, all the responses were thoughtful and demonstrate being an independent and critical thinker. Now if I click effective, it goes to 87, but I want to give like a few points more. I'm giving you extra points for giving extra thoughtful responses. So it could go the other way. Let's say I want to give an extra 3 points or something, and brings them up to a 90. But then all these other criteria still count. And so that's, in general, like what we were talking about in the staff meeting, how we can work these rubric templates to our advantage. And as I said before, they really are just general guidelines. They aren't concrete rules for the teachers. They're a jumping off point rather than an end point, and everything really should be at the teacher's discretion.